Friday evening. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel, Sergio Online. And no, this time we're not going anywhere. We're staying here in Vilnius, and I'm already near Audio Solutions headquarters here in Vilnius. I will tell you a little bit later about that company. And for all of us, we're coming to enjoy for the first time a car slot evening. I don't know what to expect because me, Stas and Žilvinas, until now, we think that it is something like a children's game. But they say that it's really nice experience and very enjoyable. So it'll be long evening, about 5 hours. So we'll have trainings, we'll have qualifications, we'll have race, later awards. So stay tuned. I think it will be really nice and enjoyable video. Let's move forward. Sergio.
Tai gal pradedam nuo to iš tikrųjų, dėl ko mes čia visi renkamės. Iš kur iš viso šita man idėja atsirado. Ir pamačiau aš tą treką, kai karjeros brandas vokiečių išleido prieš kažkur 12 gal metų jį ten.
Tu kur dar keturių vienas puikas? Yra rikiavimas.
Okay. Privažiuoji prie rikiavimus, įspaudi ir...
Oi!
Tavo yra va šita vipas.
Filling some fuel, my car number 1. And I can go?
Tai lėčiausių grupė visą laiką stabdai, kas pusę rato gonkės, nes kažkas nukrenta. Jei važiuoja greičiausiai.
9.6, 9.7, 9.9, 10.8. Not that bad. So for now, Gediminas explained all the rules in Lithuanian, but a little bit later I will ask him to explain everything in English.
Pirmas pultelis, antras, trečias, bet ten, man atrodo, paskui kai persirinkė lempos ir numerį.
Ai, 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 ai. Yeah. Hello. Polantim. Mėgstamiausia šalis. Verva.
Su spoileriuko.
Be spoileriuko. Now the qualifying is on the way. Here are the cars at the track. Qualifying starts in several moments. Germaziak.
Jo, čia kažkol sąsąjį, galit biškai ten parūkyti ar kažką ten. Gerai, taip, Edvinas kokią mašiną paėmė?
Vanuojam tai...
Jo, bet taip greičiau.
Taip greičiau.
Žilva, tu kuris, kurios spalvos? Ten iš galo, kur dabar? Va? Okay. This one is mine.
Pas ką taip dabar verva, Sergio paspausk lane change, kad įsijungtų lempos. Neįsijungi.
Ne.
Catalyst has to refuel. EV needs to refuel.
Žilva, tu geltonas, jo?
Jo.
Tai labai gama.
Red flag. Red flag.
So, Žilvinas is the winner in stint 1. Not that bad.
Labai gerai, bet žinai gerai sužiūrėjai.
Ir Seržas 11.23 nėra blogas laikas. Labai netgi neblogas.
Kosminis.
Ne paskutinis.
Nu, tikrai paskutinis savas, o lėčiau važiavo.
Šviesos greičiu. Šaunuolis, Seržai, šaunuolis. After first run, you see, Stas is the last one. I'm almost last. Already finished. I'm faster 1 minute, but I'm somewhere in the end. I think we'll visit Formula One in several years, not this year. We'll go to Plytinė Kartodromas, or maybe here we'll spend more time, but Formula One is not for us, not Qatar. Now we have a final run, the final participants,
Durys į užpakalį.
the best of the best.
Galim, jo, visų, aišku, visi. Taip, šypsom, mamytėm linkėjimai. Šypsojus.
Finally, our evening is going to an end. You see, no one is there. Someone left his prize, but here we have the main organizer, Gediminas, friend of mine. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming.
Yes, and I have several questions. First of all, the slot car challenge. It really surprised me because at first I thought that it's something like a children's game, you know, and here, as we saw today, a lot of real men. It is my first question. How do people react when you're inviting them to enjoy first time this championship or like evening vibe? Because I think a lot of people thought that it is really like a children game.
Yeah. Well, most of people are, of course, are open-minded about this. So when they come, don't know what to expect. But yes, as you said, several of them, like I would say 10%.
Like me.
Yeah. Like 10% of them are always laughing and, oh, we are going to play with the children's toys. But after the first start, the adrenaline takes over and they understand that this is completely different and this is not a children's toy.
Okay, and the second question, why did you decide to start this activity?
Oh, that's a quite open-minded question. First of all, I always loved to compete with with my friends, with other guys. And slot cars was like probably most of our guys' children's toy. And when this Carrera track was launched, it was natural answer to me just to try it. But at the time when it was launched, it was a little bit too expensive for me. And with the time, let's say I become more wealthy and I just started like 1 year ago, I checked the prices again and I started to assemble it. So the natural thing to me was to start organizing the competitions because playing alone, it's not that interesting actually. The most interesting thing is when your friends come to see you and you can compete. And trust me, the competition is high, as you saw today.
Yes, I saw already. One more question. Was it difficult to organize and invite people who at first believe it's only a kid's game, but in the end realize that it's fun and enjoyable, even for grown men?
Well, at first I thought, of course, that it will be difficult. But since all these guys most of them are my friends and quite good friends, I think they simply trusted me and trusted my idea. Because to invite some unknown persons, perhaps they wouldn't come, of course.
Okay, you already had about 4 Fridays, maybe more. 2 months.
It's actually will be a full season of autumn, winter and spring.
No. Until now, how many
it was
you
5
had?
Fridays. 5 Fridays, yeah.
And all these people, do they become more interested and want to come once again?
Yeah, after everyone, even the most skeptical ones, after the, like we call it, shakedown, after training, they all are equally pumped and they are waiting for championship.
Okay. For me, it is quite unique and new experience. I didn't know anything about this slot cars challenge until today. Is it unique for Lithuania, or there are some places with these attractions in Lithuania, or you are the first one?
As far as I know, one guy has this track at his home, and he uses it for team building opportunities. But no one organizes like challenges like me, like racing. But yeah, as far as I know, it's the only two systems here in Lithuania.
Thank you. And future plans? Are you planning to organize a championship or larger scale competitions?
At first year, of course, just a local championship, maybe even the second year. And in the future, who knows? Of course, my goal is completely different. I want to perhaps even join with the Germans, where they have really deep roots in this slot cars challenges. Yeah,
Nice.
they have clubs and everything. So who knows? Maybe we will have club here in Lithuania someday.
Okay, so it is your future vision.
Yeah, I guess so. I hope so.
Last question. Now we are at Audio Solutions headquarters.
Yeah.
Where we are, who you are.
I am who I am. I am everything in Audio Solutions. But yeah, CEO. I'm CEO of Audio Solutions, and we are in our headquarters in manufacturing plant.
So Audio Solutions is high-end audio systems.
Yeah, loudspeakers.
Loudspeakers.
Yeah.
Okay. So thanks a lot. Thanks for inviting us, and see you very soon in my future videos and also maybe in future championships.
It was a pleasure.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Car costs from 100 to 150 euros. A limited edition, they say it could cost about 300 euros. Not that bad.
Prašau, tau